AI did not just alter the way we optimize search, it has completely changed the way people search now. In this video, we will talk about 5 things that are essential to rank your website in AI search. Number 1, understanding search behavior. Number 2, content relevance. Number 3, semantic search versus exact match keywords. Number 4, AI generated content with tons of fluff. And number 5, human readable content that is easy to digest and understand. Back in the day, people used to type keywords and look through websites and their meta titles, pick the ones that match their intent. But since AI has come up, people now write mostly full queries in search. For example, there are hardly any people writing divorce lawyer near me. Instead, they search like, I'm going through a divorce. Who is the lawyer that can help me save my assets? Believe me, if you type this exact query, you'd find completely different results on AI overviews. To understand how people search, you need to first create a strong ICP, see how they talk and write over the internet. Places like Reddit, Facebook, Quora helps you understand the reading level, the writing level, and the overall sentence structure your ideal clients use when they're writing on the internet. This brings us to relevant content. So, if your pages are filled with keywords repeating after every 2 lines, the whole text won't make any sense. So, suppose you're reading a book on how to become a better orator. After every 2 lines, it's written like, to become a better orator, you need to first stand in the mirror, in front of a mirror, try to mimic a better orator that you know. Then you gain confidence and become a better orator. You must go through these better orator belly breathing exercises. So you get the point, right? You'd hate to read something like this. But if it was written in plain English that your users understand, not only it will improve the conversions on your website, but it will frequently show up on AI search results as well, as it would be relevant to that particular person. So, does that mean that the exact match keyword should not be used anymore? Well, exact match keywords will always be there because they create the core idea of the text you're going to write. But repeating them in every sentence makes things go wrong for your website. You must center your content around one primary keyword and highly relevant supporting secondary keywords. When writing the content of your page, keep the ideal reader in mind, not the AI. You will find that not only it is easier to write, but also will skyrocket your conversion rates. One trick that we use for our clients is to look at their conversations with past clients, specifically looking for how the ideal clients speak over a call or a video meeting. The type of questions they ask and the way those questions are asked, it helps in semantic content writing because we write the exact language a customer wants to speak and hear, avoiding the technical jargon that kind of confuses them. So, after all, we are doing this to get more customers and not to look like Shakespeare to our customers. But the question still remains, can we use AI to do all this? AI can be really helpful in generating hundreds of words per second. What it is not helpful in generating the content you actually need. Type a prompt like, help me write 1500 words blog on what to do when you're going through a complicated child custody. It will only generate a mixture of content it has absorbed from different sites. Not only the information may be completely irrelevant, but a lot of times it's just plainly wrong. So you might have noticed that it uses phrases like not because X, but because Y. This pattern is not only annoying to human users, but shows that you lack the understanding on the topic that you're writing about, that is why you've used AI to do it. Plus, Google is cracking down on AI generated content that is mass produced, which adds zero value to a user. Also, think about the overall sentiment towards AI these days. People trust people and want to hear from actual humans and not talk to an AI. Once somebody reads a blog and or service page and finds the AI over the top polishing and the structure, it doesn't cut it for them and they bounce. They want human readable content that is easy to digest and understand. Marketers have tried so many different tactics, just like adding questions, breaking everything into small chunks, and direct answering, adding llms.txt file, etc. There's so many things. The truth of all this is that there is no guarantee that AI search will always rank your content to the top. It's also possible that for a particular query, AI might not even mention your site. Ultimately, AI or any search engine will look for authority, depth, and expertise in the content. So if your content is credible, it's not labeled as spam, and your site is being linked by high authority websites, there is a high chance that your site will be mentioned. But doesn't it seem familiar? Since the day search engines started indexing pages, the optimization has been the same. Yes, there were some changes overall, but the foundation and the core remained intact. So, the thing we need to understand is that right for humans and optimize for machines is the important factor here. If your site's foundation, link structure, authority is bad, no matter how much you try to appease any machine, you will not get ranked. At Time Technologies, we help law firms take data backed decisions through our data engineering and legal marketing expertise. So if you think that we might be the right people to talk to, just book a consultation in the link below. Have a nice